Welcome to White Tip's Q4 Final Countdown. Over the next few weeks, we're bringing you an exclusive video series designed to help you navigate today's markets, build smarter portfolios, and finish the year strong. In this series, we'll explore the essentials of diversification, share regional market insights, and unpack key investment strategies, all while offering a glimpse of what's ahead in 2026. Each week, you will get practical tips, expert analysis, and actionable ideas to help you invest with confidence. Here's a preview of what's coming up. Diversification 101, European market outlook, the German investor mindset, and much more, leading up to our finale where we review 2025 and look ahead to the opportunities in 2026. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, join us each week and make the most of the final quarter. With just 10 weeks to 2026, let's get started, and together, let's count down to a smarter, stronger finish.